Hey guys, I hope you are all doing great. My name is David Acosta and I would like to share with you a little tutorial that I prepared for the free automated trading strategy that I've shared with you in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, let me encourage you to go see that video first and then come over here and watch this video, because this is a continuation of that other video. Right, in the previous video I showed you a free trading strategy that I've shared with you. I wanted to share with the community. So this is the tutorial about how to import that trading strategy to the platform, how to use the trading strategy, and how to set this chart up. Right, I'm going to teach you what are these indicators, right? This line, these other three lines, and this indicator over here, and I'm gonna teach you as well what kind of chart do we use, because we use tick charts. So I'm gonna teach you that as well, and everything you need to know to use that trading strategy. So I encourage you to stay until the end of this video, because I'm gonna share with you some great stuff, right? And let me encourage you as well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below if you have any questions or anything you'd like to say to me. So feel free to do that, and I'm gonna answer all of your questions in your comments. I'm going to share with you as well some great concepts in the future. I'm gonna be uploading my concept of my personal trading strategy, that is an automated trading strategy that I developed over several years, and I want to share with you the concepts and the principles that I used to develop the trading strategy. I think those principles and concepts are mind-blowing. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna like them, and they're gonna be pretty useful for you. So if I were you, I'd consider to subscribe and turn on all the notifications, because you won't want to miss all those videos that I'm gonna be sharing with the community. All right, like I showed you in the previous video, my personal trading strategy made over $100,000 in a 1-year period. Okay, and I showed you the results of my trading strategy. I had a profit factor of 4.66, which is huge for an automated trading strategy. It is actually huge for any trading strategy, but especially for automated trading strategies. If you can find a really good automated trading strategy, that strategy is not going to have a profit factor above 3. Let me tell you that. That's based on my experience. But I had a 4.66 profit factor for my personal trading strategy, and I'm going to teach you here in this channel all of the concepts and all of the principles that I used to develop that trading strategy, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. All right, those are concepts you're not going to find in any other place, in any other trading academy, and in any other YouTube channel out there. I guarantee you that. So feel free to subscribe, feel free to share this video with anybody you know that might be interested in watching this video. All right, so now we have here this chart that is already, set up. Now, how do you set this chart? Well, the first thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna go over here to the control center, NinjaTrader. You're gonna go over here to new, and you're gonna click here in chart. Then you're gonna select the contract or the instrument you wanna trade. In this case, I'm gonna use the ES, and you're gonna use here the last. You're gonna select here tick. All right, and I usually use 610 ticks for days, as many days as you want to go back. So I'm gonna put just 10 days back, and here I'm gonna use this option, and I'm gonna use here the high-low. The colors for down bars and up bars are not important, but I use black. Okay, this doesn't affect the strategy, but for visual purposes I use black, and that's it. We click OK. Now you're gonna have this chart over here. We're gonna select here this option, right? Because I like this the pointer this way. All right, then we're gonna change the background color to gray. Right, looks better now. I don't like these lines over here, so we're gonna take them off. Right here we hit apply, and there we have a chart, simple chart. Then we're gonna add the indicators. We right click here on the chart and we go over here to indicators and we use the EMA with period of 1 and we're gonna use a color black. This is just for visual purposes, of course. We're gonna use here line, and as you can see, the dots appear here. The dots appear at the closing price of the bar, right? This is the closing price of this bar, etc. That's not really important for the strategy, but for visual purposes can be a little bit helpful. Now we're gonna add another indicator. We're gonna add the linear regression line. So we have here the linear regression line. We use period of 89. We're gonna click OK. So there is the linear regression line. The other indicator I use is the MACD lines, the default properties, right? If you don't have this indicator, doesn't come with NinjaTrader, so you will have to download it from the link that I'm gonna leave below. You can go and download this indicator over there. You just import it to the platform. I'm going to teach you that in a minute. All right, so we hit apply and there it is, our indicator. The other indicator I use is the Killer Channel Ema, right? So we're going to use a period of 52. The offset multiplier is not really important, but I use a 3.5, right? So I click apply. You can change the colors as you like, but those are not important. Now, let me clarify something. In order for the strategy to be able to work on this chart, you don't need the indicators at all, right? So you can take them off, you can have clean chart and use the strategy just well, right? There's no problem with that. But I'm going to teach you if you want to have the chart just as the one identically as mine, so it's okay if you want to add the indicators, right? Now we're going to import the trading strategy to the platform. So we're going to go over to the control center. Now when you're in the control center, you're going to go over here to tools. You're going to go over to import and NinjaScript add-on. And then you're going to have to go over to the file where you downloaded the trading strategy and the impulse change indicator. That is the indicator that will help you identify the trend, right? So I'm going to leave you a link in the description below where you can download these two files. These are zip files, right? You just have to download them and then you're going to go over to the platform and you're going to import them as I am explaining right here, right? Don't do anything else, please, because it's not going to work, right? So you're going to import the zip file. You're going to click here and open. And some windows are going to appear here that if you're sure that you want to import the strategy and the indicator, just hit yes. All right, in this case I already have the strategy installed in the platform, so I'm going to click here no, but you're going to have to click yes to everything that appears over here, right? And then after that a message is going to appear here saying that the import was successful. So you're going to have to do that with the trading strategy and the indicator, right? After that, you're going to have to verify that you're connected. So you're going to go over to connections and you're going to have to connect to your account, your demo account, your personal account, or anything else, right? And you're going to have to verify that you're connected with this little circle here. There's a green circle. If you're not connected, the circle is going to be like black, okay? And if you're connected, it's going to be green. So you're going to go over to your chart and there you're going to right click here and you're going to go to strategies. And here you have the trading strategy. This is the name, right? So you're going to double click there. And here you have the number of contracts you want to use there for your strategy. The Killer Channel Ema period, this particular trading strategy use 52. Linear regression line 89. If you want to change them, you feel free to do that. The start time, for example, in my local time, the market opens at 8:30 and closes at 15. Profit target, this particular trading strategy uses a profit target of 8 and a stop loss of 5 ticks. And then make sure you click here enabled and then click over in here and apply, right? And you can see the orders here. Okay, then we're gonna add the indicator, the impulse change indicator. This is the name here, and you're gonna double click there and you're gonna hit apply, and you can see it there, right? Now, like I explained before, the idea of this strategy is to be used with price action, right? So you're gonna have to mix it up with price action in order to have good results. So we're gonna shrink this short, like I explained in the previous video, and then we're gonna shrink this control center window. So we have it here, and we have the chart over in here. Now, you have already a strategy for both longs and shorts. The idea is to have one for longs and one for shorts. How do we do that? We're gonna click again here. So we have two. The first one is gonna be for longs, and the second one is gonna be for shorts. So we hit apply. Sorry, we hit enable and enable. Okay. We have two trading strategies there. Now, the idea is that you're gonna have to mix it up with price action. So if you think that we are in an uptrend, you're gonna have to disable the short, the strategy for the short trades is this one, right? So you disable the short trades. If you feel that the market has reached a level where it's not gonna go up anymore, and you feel that a downturn is gonna be starting, so you're gonna have to disable the long trades. In that case, you just click here and you just enable the shorts, right? You see here the short trade over here, and you can enable the long trades again, and etc, etc, etc. You mix it up with price action, right? That's the idea. This is a semi-automated trading strategy. My personal version, my personal trading strategy is fully automated, right? And I'm going to teach you the concepts and principles of my personal trading strategy here, right? If you want to learn how I developed a fully automated trading strategy, feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, because I'm going to be sharing with you the concepts and principles. I'm going to show you some results, and how I developed this trading strategy is based on really cool statistical concepts and probabilistic approach. So feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you're going to be take advantage of all those concepts that I'm going to be sharing with you, because I'm pretty sure you're not going to want to miss the concepts that I used to get these results, right? This is a 1-year period results, and as you can see, it's amazing, right? Over $100,000, a profit factor of 4.66. This is amazing, right? This is just amazing. This is a pandemic year, you know, but I've been so blessed, right, of making this amount of money. So let me encourage you to subscribe to my channel and learn all these concepts that I'm going to be sharing with you. So well, basically that's the tutorial, guys. If you haven't seen the previous video, I encourage you to go and watch it. And from now on, I'm gonna be uploading some cool concepts of my personal trading strategy. So I invite you to keep an eye on this channel. So and that's it, guys. I really appreciate your time and your support for the channel. I hope you liked the video and that you are enjoying all these concepts. So thank you, guys, and see you in the next video.